like right here.
What?
I mean, once we're this first roll in. Okay, there we go. Now it's recording. It's counting up, right?
Wait,
yeah.
it's counting?
2, 3.
It means it's taking a photo. Oh, I thought you meant like it's counting down from 3.
Oh, no. Okay, I'm gonna go. And then once I hit the first jump, and someone else goes. I kind of want the green one.
All right, sounds good.
I need a shift.
Blake, give me a fist
I do
bump.
too.
Blake, Kaden.
What?
Fist bump, fist bump.
Need to shift
Sir.
that, bro.
All right. See ya. Don't you love when your brakes do that? Mace, is my thing recording?
What?
Is my thing recording?
That's the exit.
Yes.
Wait, where are you guys going?
Pump track right here.
What's that?
It's just a track. And that's sketch. That's What? I'll try not to. Well, the brakes don't rub really that well hard if you're going fast. Yeah. Blake, where are you going? Yeah, turn around. Dude, I'm like feathering the brakes and they're making that noise. Once we get down, I'm gonna take them as the longest break I've ever taken. Right, you ready? Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump.
Shift, dude. Dropping.
Hey.
I go really slow off the track.
Okay.
Not easy.
Ready?
Recording?
Yep.
Okay, don't go so
I
fast.
got so much adrenaline.
And we're gonna stop after the second jump, okay?
Alright.
Alright, dropping!
Yo! Yo! No broken wrist!
No more broken wrist.
Walk in.
Dropping!
Oh. Oh, he's good. Whoa. Hey! 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 Video. Yeah.
Dropping!
Wait, are they going behind me?
I don't know.